Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you record your computer's screen. So for recording your computer's screen, you have to download a software named OBS Studio. So let me show you how can you download that software on your computer. So now, as I have on Google, so right here, OBS Studio download. So here you can see download OBS Studio. Now go to this link and now scroll down. So if you are on Windows, download is installer, download installer. So here you can see installer has been downloading. So just wait till the downloading ends. So now as you can see, installer has been downloaded successfully. Now double click it to install this. So just wait till the installing has been processing. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. Now here you can see OBS installer launcher has been launched. Now click on next, again next, then click on install. So here you can see OBS Studio has been installing. So just wait till the installing ends. Then I will show you how can you record your screen using OBS Studio. Now click on finish and just wait, OBS Studio will be launched. So now here you can see OBS Studio has been launched. So this is how you can download OBS Studio on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.